For today, I will be teaching you on how to remove the highlighted text on your Excel file. By the way, this Excel file, eventually there are certain portion wherein when you input the text, what happen is there will be a format that the highlight appears. So here's what are you going to do. So I try first to remove the theme colors or the highlight colors, but still the highlights appears. So the solution for this is to just simply go to home, click home, and then go to the conditional formatting, and then clear the rules for the selected cell, and then the highlights now disappear.